naturopath right here in Hermitage. And this coming up week, we're having a seminar on how to get your body healthier and have more energy. And so if you've been struggling with low energy, or you've been struggling being in pain, chronic pain, this seminar is for you. If you've been struggling with autoimmune disease or nutritional deficiencies, or even you're not sure what's going on, you're just like, I feel bad and I don't know what the problem is, that's where we come in. So we're taking a physical chiropractic approach along with a naturopathic approach to help you reverse the problem and whatever that is. So first of all, we got to find out what it is. So we go through a comprehensive exam. Physically, we're going to do 9-point exam that will look at all the neuromusculoskeletal problems. In other words, nerve and muscle problems. And we'll find out if it's one of those. And then secondly, we use blood work to determine if there's a nutrition issue. In other words, do you have a nutritional problem? It'll show up on your blood work and it'll say, here's my issue, here's my problem. So we look at your blood work, we can determine it. Now, I'm not just going to look at your blood work and go, yep, it's bad, like, some docs do, and then maybe you need a medication or something like that. No, we're looking to find out, is your problem one that can be reversed nutritionally or naturally? And if you can reverse it nutritionally and naturally, we want to work with your medical doctor. And as you get better, he would say, oh, look, your blood work's better. Let's get you off of some of that medication. And so some people are even coming off of medications, but we're talking about how to help you naturally. So we're going to be looking at things like nerve. Nerve can affect constipation. It can affect stomach issues. It can affect heart issues, even focus and concentration. We're going to be looking at deficiencies. They said one deficiency of just vitamin D alone, just that one only, is enough of a issue that you could literally have up to 1,500 diseases associated with just one deficiency, and that's vitamin D. And so I can tell you deficiencies are a big thing. We want to look at the body, make sure you're not deficient. If you are deficient, we want to give you whatever you need nutritionally to feed the body. So different foods, or maybe we need to give you a supplement of some kind to boost your body back up to normal. And the next one would be, do you have any food sensitivities? Now, there's a difference in a food allergy versus a food sensitivity. What's the difference? If it's a food allergy, you could eat that lobster or that peanut and your face swells up or you have a reaction now. If it's a food sensitivity, you might not have a reaction for a couple days or even a week. And so if you're having delayed reaction, you wouldn't know to put it with that food. It was a week ago. How would I know that that was causing it? Well, for me, I ended up having food sensitivities cause me to have several diseases. I had my blood work come back and I was bad. And then I got worse, and then I got worse, and then I got worse. And all the treatment methods, nothing seemed to be working until I found out that I had food sensitivities. Once I did the test, I found out I had 72 food sensitivities. I was in horrible shape. I felt bad. My body was sick. I had low energy. It just wasn't working out. And so I started changing my nutrition immediately. I gave up everything that was going to cause me inflammation or cause me not to be able to think clearly or cause my body to feel sick. Once I found out I had a sensitivity, I got rid of that immediately. My body turned around in just a matter of a couple weeks. And so if you've been struggling with some really kind of unexplainable problems, if there's something in your life that you're like, man, I've been sick and I have no idea what's going on, then we need to look at that and see if maybe there's a food sensitivity. And then lastly is toxicity. In other words, does your body have some kind of toxic problem? So we use a body composition to look for general toxicity. And then we use a heavy metal testing to find out if you have heavy metal toxicity. If you have heavy metals, then we go through a gentle, notice I said gentle, detoxification. A lot of people who are into detoxification, that kind of stuff, there's these massive, like severe detoxes, and you're sitting in the bathroom all day, and we're not talking about that kind of detox at all. These are healthy, good for you detoxes that help you to get healthy, but they do it gently and more over time, heal your body so it pulls out those toxins and then your body can function at a better level. So we're looking at, is there a nerve issue which affects nervous system and brain, causing any kind of sickness in your body? Nerve issue number one. Is there a deficiency number two? Is there a sensitivity number three? And then lastly, is there toxicity? Almost all conditions out there have one or more of all of those. And if you reverse them, we find people getting better from things that you would never think would get better. I've had the strangest cases neurologically come in and we reversed it. We've had tons of cases of MS even, and we reversed some of the symptoms of the MS and we put them into remission. We've had people come in with indigestion. We've had people come in with, unexplained symptoms. They're like, I don't know, I've just been sick for years. After doing the test, it turns out it wasn't Lyme or something like that. It turns out they just need a combination of several things, not just one. It wasn't just like, boom, there it is. It was a bunch of small things that all added up. So little things add up to big things. So if you've been struggling with your health and you're not sure what to do or where to go, this seminar was made for you. So if you need help, I want you to register for the seminar. If you're in pain, I want you to register for the seminar. Or if you just know somebody who's in pain and you want to come and get some information, I'd love to have you come down. Call the office to find out the time of the next seminar, and that would be 724-342-2225. That's 724-342-2225. I'd love to talk to you more about